Hi. I'm here to talk to you about how to get traffic to your website. What is pay-per-view traffic? So what actually is pay-per-view? Basically it is spyware gone legitimate. Hold on there. I know you do not want to be involved with anything shady. Here is how it works. Pay-per-view networks offer free software, web tools and application for users. These users expressly agree to receive keyword-targeted advertising in exchange for using free software or applications. The users can easily delete the software and stop receiving the ads at any time, so the key is that this is 100% legitimate, permission-based advertising. The users are not tricked into getting ads. They know exactly what they are getting into and can quit anytime easily. So imagine you are selling Porsches, you run an ad on the pay-per-view network and one of the keywords you choose is of course Porsche. When the user starts surfing the net and types in the word Porsche into the browser or into a search engine, your ad Porsche pops up right in front of him. How cool is that? They are looking for your product in search engines or by typing the website address of a popular site in that niche and your ad pops up first. They could be typing in Porsche.com or Carrera or whatever keyword you choose to target your ad, and whenever a user types the keyword into their browser or favorite search engine, your ad pops up first. This type of traffic could cost you $2. With PPV traffic your cost is less than 1 cent per keyword targeted view of your website. You may begin your PPV traffic campaign here. Traffic can usually start within 48 hours after your order. Much success! Hope you found it useful. For more information please click the link in description.